welcome back to Pato Dreams. I am a person who loves to give handmade and homemade gifts to my loved ones for just about any occasions. Valentine's Day is no exception. If you are struggling to find the right item in your store or you would love to make a DIY gift, I have a cool idea. In this tutorial, I am sharing how I made this cute little heart trinket dish completely out of polymer clay. So let's get into the video. It's a beautiful sunny day in the middle of winter in Seattle. So rather than using my table lamp, I tried to shoot this video in natural light. So let's start off by conditioning your white color polymer clay. Condition it well and knead it flat. I have taken 3/4 of my original package for making this trinket dish. As you can see, this white clay is conditioned and flattened. Now set that aside. For making your heart pattern, you need to cut out the heart shapes out of some colored polymer clay of your choice. I am making this trinket dish for this Valentine's Day, so I decided to go with the shades of red, pink and some gold. For making this heart shapes, you can use the heart cutters in different sizes, or you can simply draw the heart shape in different sizes on a piece of paper, then cut out them and use them as a stencil. Here I have 2 different sizes of heart shape cutters. Here I have conditioned and flattened all this colorful clay. Now let's start making the heart shapes out of each color using your heart cutter. I tried to cut out hearts in these 2 sizes out of each colorful clay. Once you are ready with your hearts, take your white color clay sheet and arrange these little hearts on top of it randomly, or if you like to go with a pattern, you are welcome to do that. I basically try to go freehand and make sure to avoid any big gap. So arrange all these little hearts and cover your entire clay sheet with your hearts. Oh my god, how beautiful it is. I'm super excited to see this final product. So let's continue. Imagine how pretty this will going to turn out. I really don't want to cut this out, but yes, we have to continue our process. So if you have a pasta machine, you can get through this into your pasta machine and set your desired thickness and flatten this. As I don't have a pasta machine, I will be gently run my rolling pin over this clay to flatten these hearts without distorting the shape much. Now we are ready with our clay. Then press whatever round object that you have to trace the bowl onto the clay and cut it out using an X-Acto knife. Please don't worry about the rough edges, we will fix that later. I am using this round lid to trace out the edge and cut out a circle shape. You can decide the size of your round object based on how big you want your trinket dish. And now we have the perfect round clay sheet. Trim off any excess around the edges Now you can select the bowl shape the way you want your trinket dish should be. This is the bowl I have. Actually, you can place this clay sheet into a bowl, but for me, I don't have a bowl with the shape the way I wanted. So what I did was place this clay on the back of this bowl with the pattern side inside and gently push it down and smooth out the surface slightly, and then place this onto a baking tray and bake this according to the package instructions. Try to place the clay in alignment with the bowl. Try to place it on the center of the bowl. So this is how this inside looks like. Also make sure to place the bottom of your bowl flat. So you just press it against the floor to make the bottom flat. Now place this bowl in a baking tray. I have also cut out some hearts out of the same clay sheet for some other project, and I will be baking this everything together according to the package instruction. And here it is. Once baked, let it cool completely inside the oven before popping it out of the bowl. And this is how the hearts looks like just out of the oven. You can also sand and buff and also paint the rim with any gold color paint. I'm using this Sculpey Gloss Glaze to glaze this whole thing and let it dry completely. Or you can simply use any Mod Podge. This will also leave a nice shine to our bowl. And voila! Look how colorful and trendy it is. You can fill them with your favorite jewelries or makeup or just odds and ends. I think this would be a perfect gift idea for this Valentine's Day. Go on, give it a try and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, toodles!